Doing all that rah-rah shit. Nigga don't care about that shit. You just a crash dummy. I'm waiting to see this nigga live so I can laugh with it. You know, in boxing, you know, you could be a southpaw or you'll be a counter. I'm a counter. Because I already know a dumbass, they going to expose themselves. I'm doing laugh and watch these motherfuckers eat them up. And then they going to eat them up. Ah, motherfucker think they can scold. Boy, that was a good one, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. All my bros say, much love, say, y'all. This ain't got shit to do with y'all. No, I'm a damn fool. Nigga looking like a crash dumb on this bitch. Mm-hmm. Be safe, everybody. Pop your shit. Grown man shit. Cause like y'all, this shit be funny as fuck, man. Shit be funny as fuck. Ah, motherfucker act like damn. You gotta be real about that, yeah. I don't delete none of my live. Did you hear what the hell I said? I don't delete none of my live. So, woo, some bitch ass nigga delete their live. I wonder why. He was a crash dummy. But see what's so cold, y'all? I been wanting y'all to really just pay attention to this shit because I want to make sure I put this on the highlight too whenever it get posted. I want motherfuckers to understand this shit. Motherfuckers on this bitch trying to make like somebody talking about them not having a gun license when the fuck it ain't even that. When you be on your live, you act like a crash dummy. Who wants somebody being a crash dummy without gun license? Let's get that right. Nobody on this bitch shitting on nobody for not getting a gun license. I'm not. No, no, no. It's how the fuck you act on your live. That's why you delete your shit. Cause nigga, how you act, you do not need no gun license. No, you already said on that live. You don't fight your ops. You a shooter. You like a hood nigga with a goddamn badge, bro. With an ID, bro. And then you on that bitch on my shit. I want pop 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 and lift their ass, bro. Do you know this is live shit, bro? So yeah, bro, you look like a crash dummy, bro. Don't try to get on this bitch try to make shit sound sweet. Oh y'all know that was just for entertainment now, bro. You saying that shit on live, bro. You a crash dummy, bro. You one of them motherfuckers, yeah, you passed the test to get your ID, and now you on this bitch acting like you a rah-rah, ratchet ass little bitch. Nappy headed ass motherfucker. That shit don't fly. But you act like damn people on this bitch trying to make like, oh, man, y'all don't want me to have my ID. Y'all thought I wasn't gonna get it. How you act on your live, bro, you do not need no damn gun license. Period. Nigga, you on this bitch talking about shooting kids, mama, daddy, auntie, all this shit up in their car just because a motherfucker done turned you off. Bro, you get what you dish out, bro. Don't be on this bitch acting like somebody shit on you because the fuck you shit on yourself. You did. So I'm deleting all my live, y'all. But that shit right there, y'all see he delete the shit. He need to delete the other live too. He glorified bullshit, y'all. And that shit ain't even what it is, man. You one of them motherfuckers that you think shit is okay to act dumb, bro. No, bro. That shit is not, bro. You stupid as fuck. But say, people like that shit. So hey, can't knock some people for dumb shit. They glorify clout. He already said that, y'all. He out for, you know, clout. So he gonna do dumb shit. But why you didn't leave that shit up? You was out for clout. Why you leave them your lives up? Cause y'all know that was a clout chasing ass crash dummy move. Period. Come on, bro. Any, come on, bro. Y'all gotta be smarter than this shit. Y'all can hate me all the fuck you want. I don't give a damn. Facts is facts. Y'all don't like that shit, oh well. That's some bullshit ass whole ass nigga move right there. Y'all don't give a damn what y'all look at. But y'all see, I don't delete none of my shit. Period. Motherfucker got shit to hide, they gotta delete that shit. Cause the whole point, you like a crash dummy. Period. No cap. So, hey y'all, catch y'all on the next live. Peace out. And I wait for the motherfucker to clap back cause you a crash dummy. Period. It's coming. With a hat on. Grill fucked up. Yeah, watch this shit, y'all. He gonna try to hide his nap ass hair, look like big ass dookie locks, look like a wanna be gunplay. So yeah, watch the next live. He gonna try to cover up all that shit. He might be in a sheet, looking like a nun. You did? So yeah, check out my deal next live. You did? Check out my deal next live with her wig on.